Hello. Okay. We're gonna have the round 2 of Chubby Bunny. Okay. So first one is Myra.
Yeah.
Serious?
Yes.
Okay. Chubby Bunny.
1. Ito ka nga. Ay!
Chubby Bunny.
2.
Chubby Bunny.
3. 4. 5. 6, man. 6. Damn. Wow. 7. Okay.
Next one is me. Yuck, that's disgusting. That's me. 7. 1. Chubby Bunny. No tears, don't fall.
Sabihin niya lang.
2. Chubby Bunny. 3. Chubby Bunny.
Kulang pa ata yun.
Second pack.
Yung green mo, huy.
Hindi mo na kaya?
Uy. Go.
And the next one, the last one, is going to be Crystal. The final. Here she is. Watch her.
Go.
1.
Everybody.
Saksok mo.
2.
Everybody.
3. More. 4.
5.
She has 5, which is a tiebreaker for me.
Woohoo! Uy, laban ulit. Tie kayo eh. Tie. I got 7.
I got 5. Only 5. 5. Same with yourself.
7.
5.
Tie kayo. Dapat laban ulit.
Tie?
Yeah. Laban.
Okay, tiebreaker. Me first.
Yeah, go.
Wait,
Play. Maglagay ka kaling kulang yun. Hindi niya kaya. Uy, magsabi ka ha. Sabi ba?
Chubby Bunny.
1.
Still, Chubby Bunny.
Twin yung kamay mo.
3. Chubby Bunny.
wait.
7 ako. I'm 7. Kaya? You can do it? You sure? Wow, 6! 6! Okay, 6! Okay, she can't do it anymore, Sharon. Your turn, Kring.
Pose muna.
Now, it's gonna be Crystal's turn, so wait up. I have 6! 7. Crystal's turn! Go.
Chubby Bunny.
1. This is a tiebreaker, right?
Chubby Bunny.
Shout, break out, come on, oh, she can do not chale. 1 shot. 4. Can you beat her or can't?
5.
5. Di niya na kaya. It's all out now.
Close.
Oh! She's gonna... Okay. Tiebreaker again. No more.
No more, man. I don't want to do it more. And 7.
Oh my God.